deal with a breakup is something which is personal to everybody and it is different for everybody. Now तुम्हारा situation क्या है, तुम कितने close थे, तुम्हारा status क्या था, I have no idea. And I'm not a therapist nor I am so experienced in all this. Whenever you're going through a breakup, the first thing you need to do is you just need to let all your feelings flow. Don't suppress them. जब भी तुम अपने feelings को दबाओगे तो it is going to cause pain to you and not anybody else. तुम्हारे दिमाग पे वो असर करेगा and plus तुम्हारे physical health के ऊपर. तो first thing you should do is you have to just talk it out. The second thing that you need to do is एक रिलेशनशिप से दूसरे रिलेशनशिप में मत कूदो. I'll tell you why. Whenever you're feeling lonely or whenever you have just broken up with someone, you feel हाँ I need that emotional support या मुझे वो चाहिए and you miss that feeling and that particular moments you have shared with the person before. तो you feel हाँ मुझे वो वापस चाहिए and you want to make yourself feel better. So what you do is वो emotional support के लिए of that person तुम एक relationship से दूसरे relationship you just go on jumping continuously. तो you're not giving yourself a break to just breathe and give time to yourself and understand कि क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ and what you're feeling. If you're jumping from one relationship to another, you're never going to be independent and you're never going to allow yourself to feel what you're feeling. So the second thing which I think is don't jump from one relationship to another. Just give yourself some time. It'll happen. It'll be a slow process, but it'll be worth it because you yourself will understand what you're feeling and what you're going through. So once you understand that, I think it's best you give yourself a chance for this. Third thing is you need to become social. See, जब तुम घर पे बैठोगे, मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, मुझे वैसा लग रहा है, आई कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट हिम और हर. भाई तुम आए थे अकेले, इस दुनिया में जा भी रहे हो अकेले. So don't make a big scene out of it. It is not the end of the world. So start becoming social, start talking to people, go to events, meet your friends. Just get your mind off it. I know at the end of the day, it is going to be there in your mind still. But once you start becoming social, it will give you a different kind of feeling and also you'll be more engaged. Also you'll forget about it for a little while. But also it's also remember कि जो भी है सब तुम्हारे दिमाग में है. Because you create scenes. I know when you're attached, when you're with that person, you feel, and when he or she is not there with you, you feel it's the end of the world. But it's not like that. Just give yourself some time. Take it slow. Don't rush into things. I think this will help you. Fourth thing is you need to exercise. हाँ, तुमको जाके एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ेगा. You need to have some kind of physical activity because most of the time when people are going through a breakup, ज़्यादा खाना ज़्यादा कर देते हैं. They eat chocolates, they rely more on sweets and also उनको मन नहीं होता है कुछ भी physical activity करने जैसे. तो I think exercising is a very very good option because you have that space and time for yourself and also it improves your mood. It takes off your mind from all the stuff which is going on inside your head. So I think exercising will also help you. Lastly, I would like to tell you is that don't be so hard on yourself. जो होना था वो हो गया and you cannot do anything about it. But if you can and if you have that guts to do, like my dad who was madly in love with my mom and for 3 years he did anything and everything he can from his side. He convinced his parents, he did everything. I think like my dad, I have not found anybody that gutsy to go against everyone and win my mom's heart. But it was a different time. So I think it's different for everybody. सबका अलग situation होता है, सबका अलग thinking होता है, सबके अलग type का relationship होता है. So I don't know what you are going through or for what reason you went through a breakup or anything. But I think you're strong enough to understand situations and to get over it. And if you're finding it really really difficult, बहुत ही difficult हो रहा है that you're not able to bear it, and then I think you need a professional help because sometimes it's up to that extent होता है कभी कभी. But I think an individual person is capable of loving him or herself to the very extent. हाँ, ज़िंदगी में कभी कभी चाहिए रहता है इमोशनल सपोर्ट के लिए. यू नीड समबडी. समटाइम्स यू हैव फैमिली, समटाइम्स यू हैव फ्रेंड्स, समटाइम्स यू हैव वन पर्सन. डिपेंड्स. एंड समटाइम्स पीपल आर जस्ट केपेबल ऑफ लिविंग अलोन. होता है. So it just differs from person to person, and I think I hope whatever I have spoken, it helps you in at least a minute way. I'm trying my best, because if you feel like you want to talk, or if you want a proper advice, you can always just drop a text so that I can help you. I guess that's it. Thank you.